Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, automating pre-translation with memoQ AGT in templates. Since the release of memoQ 12.0, it is possible to automate pre-translation with memoQ AGT through templates. To configure this new automated action, open your Resource Console, go to Project Templates, select the desired template, and click on Edit. At the bottom of the lateral menu, under Automated Actions, select the trigger you wish to attach this new automated action to. Once selected, click on the plus icon to pick from the list of available automated actions. Select the action Pre-Translate with AGT and click on Add. The configuration window for this automated action appears. Pick the settings that are relevant for you and click on OK. If you set multiple automated actions for a trigger, remember to define the order in which they should happen by using the arrow icons. For this automated action to run successfully, you need to have a memoQ AGT empty setting configured in Set Template. When you're done, you can click on OK to save your configuration and close the Resource Console. Keep in mind that the automatic pre-translation with memoQ AGT you just set will only happen in new projects created from this template. New template configurations are not applied to existing projects retroactively. Thanks for watching!